Welcome to another episode of Microwave Me, which is, as always, filmed with this state-of-the-art digital camera. And today we're going to microwave a glass of Pepsi. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't say that with a straight face. The idea is just too absurd, but considering some of the other things I'm going to heat up, I'd better get used to the idea of microwaving the absurd. And as always, we have Jennie, the GE microwave. Oh, it feels like it's been forever since I've gotten to do another microwave episode with my favorite microwave. I'm just taking in the moment. Okay. This I probably shouldn't put in for very long. Okay, what year was the Pepsi company founded? I don't know, around 1890, so 90 seconds. Alright, let's see what we've done. That Pepsi is practically boiling. I am not going to even think of touching that. I have heard so many stories about water being heated up in the microwave and blowing up on people and giving them second-degree burns. This is one post-product that you are not going to see examined after the fact. And besides, you can clearly see it's been microwaved, so is it a good or a bad idea? I would say it's a bad idea because someone could actually do this and the Pepsi would blow up all over them as soon as they get it out of the microwave. And we all know that Pepsi, as with all drinks, is 99% water anyway. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for another episode.